In order to access out Google Classroom, you need to first be signed in onto your Google account right here. So once you're signed in onto your Google account, you can go to your web address right here and type in classroom.google.com and press enter. So once you do that, what happens is that Google Classroom opens up, as you can see right here. And Google Classroom is a platform that lets you manage out class as a teacher and manage out contents and access out different classes as a student. And in this tutorial series, we're going to go around and explore out the both aspects of Google Classroom. So once you go around onto Google Classroom, you can see that you have access to it. And in the beginning, you get nothing right here. So you have an option to either create a class or join a class right here, as you can see. So over here, you can see that you can go around and join a class or create a class right here and access out calendar, archive classes, settings, and you can access out different options from over here. And throughout this course, we're going to explore out the major features of Google Classroom so that you can easily manage out classrooms and then post contents to it, keep track of assignments and so forth as a teacher. And then as a student, you will be you will learn how to access out contents of the classroom and then submit assignments and utilize the different features while submitting the assignments. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.